So, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be teaching you how you can make money online, make as high as $5 daily. It is important to follow my steps carefully. Do not miss any of my steps. Endeavor not to fast forward this video because if you fast forward, you might miss a process. You might miss something very important that I might mention. So if this is the first time you're coming to my YouTube channel, endeavor to click on the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you're done with that, do not forget to click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube to get notified when next we drop videos like this. So I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. Like I earlier said, this opportunity will earn you as high as $5 to $10 daily. It is important to follow my steps one after the other. Do not fast forward to avoid missing a step. So the thing is, there are a lot of platforms that I've checked before I concluded in telling you guys about this particular platform. I have checked a lot of platforms to research about any new opportunity that could earn you more income, but I couldn't find any reliable ones. At the end, I was able to get one, which I am telling you today. So basically, what the website do is they pay you for survey. They pay you to do a survey, and you can earn as high. Let's click on how it works, and let's see more about this platform. You can see how Zap surveys work in 4 easy steps. So the first thing is you sign up. Sign up is easy via Google. You can sign up via Google, via Facebook, via Apple, or via your email. So you can sign up with any of this method. You take a survey. So once you take a survey, the next thing is to earn. Okay, that is the most important thing. You do a survey, you take a survey, you earn. This whole website have been checked. So let me walk you through how to sign up on this platform. So we're going to be signing up with an email. So let us patiently wait. Like I earlier said, it is very important you follow the step and don't click on the forward because you might miss a very important information. Okay, so you write your email, you write your password. So you write your password again. So you click on create account. So once you click on create account, we wait for the message. You can see let's save. So you have got some reward. You have got a new $2 survey ready. So the next thing to do is you click on start survey. You select your gender. As for me, I'll select male and click on next. So they ask for your zip code. So my zip code will be 234. Let's click on next. You can just let me say 6 digits. It could be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's proceed. So your relationship status, married. So what is the highest level of education you have completed? I will select, as for me, I will select high school graduate. Next, are you registered to vote? You click on yes, click on next. In your household, are you the person who makes most of the daily purchasing decision? You say yes. There are reasons for asking some of these questions, so you need to be smart about your selection. What is your current employment status? Click on employed full time. Next. So they say, do you or does anyone in your household work in any of the following industry? So as for me, I'll click on advertising. I'm into advertising. If you can select any other thing that suits your own area of violation. Approximately, what is the annual revenue of your organization? Select under. I will select under $100,000. So what is your current annual household income before taxes? So you click on 14. I'll click on 14. You can click on any other thing if yours is more than that. Are you of Hispanic, Latino, or Spanish origin? So you say no. I'll just look for something. Prefer not to answer. I will use prefer not to answer. So, which best describes your race? I'll select black or African black. So click how many people lives in your household, including yourself. I'll select two persons, myself and my wife. So what is your birthday? I will just select this. For example, I'll select this. We click on complete. So we've successfully set up the whole account. You can see that is just it, all about the sign up. So from there you can proceed to take survey. You'll be issued survey. Please note, you might be restricted. There are some countries that are restricted from doing survey, so it is important you give it a try. If you are allowed, good and fine, then you can make money from it. But if you're not allowed, in my next video I will also be giving you some other websites where you can do survey and make some cool cash. See you next time on my next video. Thank you for your time, and don't forget, before you go, click on the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and bye bye.